question before. Does this go further back?
Yeah, it goes further.
Way back?
Yeah, so let's put that mask. But it's not painful, that means it's not painful, just uncomfortable. Try to keep your head still. Okay, ready?
Alright guys, so welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are liking this series. It does not seem as if you all are liking this series because the views them not turn up, so I'm not sure what I am doing wrong. If the thumbnail not catchy enough, or if daddy said him over the gas station, if the thumbnail not catchy enough, or the starting of the content not suiting. Oh my puppy, the camera look here. I don't know what the problem when suits and liking, but the views them don't tell up, or you guys are busy. Which one is it? Let me know. I hope you guys do go ahead and check out the content whenever you all get a chance to. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and leave a comment down below in the comment section. All right, so I hope that clip, like when me finish, I realize that my finger did the over part of the video. I'm really hope that where the gas station there again. I really hope that I never did hide the content and I could have see the process of the PCR test. So the man said it was okay to record, so that's what I did. I asked him his permission, which I don't normally do them things then, but that was good of me. And with the PCR to the rapid test, PCR is a little, it goes a lot more back in the nostril, so it kind of give you a more of an uncomfortable feeling. So that's the difference between the PCR and the rapid test. And the cheapest place thus far, based on what I have researched and asked person, well, in a commander research, is over the airport, $15,000, $15,000 Jamaican dollar, or 100 USD. So does it work out in terms of me coming from so far to get the test done by the Norman Manley International Airport? Yes, it does, because the regular private doctors, they are charging, the cheapest private doctor rate that I heard about was $20,000. Other from that, I heard about 25, 28, 26, all of them big money there. And I mean, it can work out cheaper because if a gas, it still now takes so much, and if a taxi, it worse not gonna take so much. Cause I know gas price and all that. So yeah, so stay tuned for the results, guys. Mega share with you. Okay, yeah. I'm coming to get a water inside the gas station. Thirsty. So yep, who is here? Is the water free? Inside. Nobody in there. Is the water free? Not me checking if the water is free because nobody in here. So I mean, I have to ask. Yes. Thank you. Alright, so the cashier not in there. We should just walk out with the water, take it and drink it, and just run away.
The next day.
You thought I had a camera? Alright, hey guys, what's up? So this is a continuation of the vlog that was started yesterday. Yeah, so currently I am at work and I am with Nicolette. I know she had fun. Say hey to the vlog. Hi. Alright, here with Nicolette, and I am consuming. Really? True, I think you had on one time where it's a stripe or plaid. Yeah. So I'm having some soup because I went out the road and purchased a soup. and plum tree in the schoolyard. So somebody picked some plum. I would beg them too. We beg them too. But you know, Jamaicans, when they beg two or something, them end up take up 4. We beg 2 plum, you know. Me take up 2. This lady, I want 4 or 3? 4. So I'm show you the soup at the plum. So soup is pea soup with chicken foot and ripe plum and salt. Where's the salt? Oh, and salt. So that's what's up for today. I'm there. Alright, some lesson plan. Yeah, use up my day while I'm there at school. So yeah, guys, currently going home. Rain at here. No sir. And he now wait, you know? He's now wait. Currently heading home. 9 degrees now, so we're gonna go home. So yeah, that's what's up. But it's raining and all that, you know. Yeah, today we're not happy in the rain at Hustler bus, so happy. So yeah, we're gonna go. No, because we are coming out watch if you do with a few things. There is that watch it already. Or probably we have to. I don't mind the wig from me. You understand me? It just we can't wait for go man just dash you one side. Hot like a fire. Me yeah, somebody look fat like somebody are pregnant.
Well,
Eh?
you must know that go.
Go patty do me clothes I'm eating patty. Me must know that go. When I'm pregnant and me must know that go. Seatbelts. Eh?
You're not walking now.
And it's tough you know that go. My patty all drop. Oh God. So I'm going to munch on a patty. I don't have anywhere to put you guys. Like, not gonna go on. Not gonna go on. Not gonna see me. So anyways, that is what's up for today. Currently heading home. Munching on a patty in the rain. And it's fastest. The wipe on the phone. They just put on the fastest. It look like it rain. It rain a little hard. Alright, just yeah. Not really a fall that hard. Not true. So when we reach home, I'm gonna know what is up, what's happening, and yeah. Day 3 not finished uploaded. Hopefully I go and I can finish uploading. So that kind of pushed me back on my days them now. But crazy. I didn't want that to happen because I actually have my vlog. It's just that the internet that gives me a little problem. And then when I went to school, the internet, you realize that the internet did go on at school, like it went chippy fast, you know? And then it just
As the money come full
when the money full running.
And then go as
then go it stopped work and the entire system of internet stopped work. Cause the video did go because the video reached 94 and the video stuck. So that's the process with the we're calling Vlogtober day 3. But hopefully I'm reach home and get that done. I'm not like I'm look fat. The way I look it's like somebody pregnant. That's weird. That is how I feel like I look right now. With my neck look like fat. Probably I'm speaking it into being, I'm not sure. But anyways, when I go home I'll let you guys